How to recover your Snapchat data on Snapchat application. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can recover your Snapchat data while using your Snapchat application. So to begin with, you need to go to your profile. Just tap on your profile. So once you tap on your profile, then you need to tap on the setting icon. Once you tap on the setting icon, you can scroll down and you will find I need help. So guys, once you tap on I need help, you will be directed to Snapchat support page where you can search in the search bar that my data. So once you search my data, and here is you can see download my data. So once you tap on download my data, so here is you can see they say download my data. So how to access or update your data? So you need to scroll down a bit. So here they mention that you can visit our account website. So once you tap on our account, so here is you can see in the account there are many options. The first one is my snap code, just below that is my data. So you need to tap on my data, and here is you can see data available in app is name, username, birthday, mobile number. There are many things that you can download, actually login history, basic information, and there is snap history, chat history, our story, and spotlight content purchase. So there are actually many things like your pictures and some Snapchat history, some spotlight content that you can download. This is a very huge list, as you can see, and you can find out that how many things you can actually download or recover. So what you need to do, if you scroll down, there is an option called submit request. So you need to tap on submit and your request will be sent to Snapchat support, and then they will, within 48 hours, they will send you a file of all the data which can be recovered on your Snapchat, and then you can have all your data back on your phone. So guys, that is one way that you can do. So I will go back and to my profile, then you need to tap on the setting, and there is a shortcut to that one. Is if you scroll down to the privacy, and at the bottom of the privacy option you will find my data. So guys, once you tap on my data, it will direct you to the next page, which is my data, and here is you can see some of your data is available and best weaved in our app. For other data, please click submit request below. For download your data will be made available typically within 24 hours, but sometimes it might take a little longer. As a zip file, best viewed on desktop. So they will send you a zip file of that all the data, and then you can view that data on a desktop. There is a limit to the number of times a day you can download your data. So there must be a limit, like 1 time or 2 times per 24 hours you can download that. But actually this is the list where you can download all these things and recover your data. So guys, this is all it takes to recover your data on Snapchat application. I hope you like the video. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for future notification. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.